Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna talk about the code U1000 and C1136. Guys, if you have this code, the issue is bad communication with wires, ground. You could have a ground problem. So to fix that problem, sometimes the car doesn't want to start. When you start have this code, as soon as you put the OBD, how do you know this code is there? You hear the fan is on. As soon as the fan gets on, you hear this doesn't want to stop. It's automatically the car is never gonna be start again. If you want to start the car back, all you have to do, disconnect the battery negative sides, wait for 30 seconds, go inside the car, pump the brakes 3 times or 5 times, how you want. You have to reset the ECU. Or even you cannot pump the brakes if you don't want to. Just disconnect the battery, wait for 30 seconds, put the battery back and go start the car. All the issues gonna be go away. And the second thing you need to do after that, you need the OBD. Regular OBD, not the expensive one. It could be 151, just you need to have the one has option how to check your transmission. Because some OBD doesn't have the option to check your transmission. So what you have to do, put the OBD there and scan all the major weights and give you all the code there and go one by one and reset all this code. Go to transmission, reset the code, go to the EBS, reset the code and everything. You start the car, be drive by the way, no problem. I see a lot of videos, people put a lot of money, how gonna find the communication, all this stuff. This is only an issue with ground. When you have a ground problem, it could be there is two on the top of the engine and there is one behind the O2 behind the what they call battery sides close to the relays and stuff like that. There is another ground there. There is one close to the booster, and there is another one. The most difficult one is inside the car, is like inside the body thing. There is another ground, so you have to move the carpet. There's a lot of work. Only way to do is just have totally like disconnect the negative stuff, the battery, reset all this code, and the car starts. No problem. And this code gonna showing up like after 3 months, maybe more. So every time you can do the same thing until you figure out how you can fix the problem. So guys, it was a small video just because I have the same issue on my car and I don't want to spend a lot of money. So I'm trying to figure out how we're gonna be fixed that. All the videos, no one told you if the car doesn't start, how you do to start the car back. So this is how you can start the car back. Easy doing, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that, we keep showing more tricks. See ya.